Regular cleaning keeps your Marenza performing consistently. Here's everything you need to stay on top of it. Once a week, run a flush cycle to clear residual coffee from the internal passages. Insert an empty filter basket into the portafilter and lock it into the group head. Empty the drip tray and fill the water tank to max. Press the flush button. The cycle runs for 5 minutes and stops automatically. Empty and rinse the portafilter and drip tray when done. For a deeper clean, swap the empty filter basket for the blind filter, the basket with no holes. Run the same flush process, same 5 minutes. Because the blind filter blocks the water's exit, pressure builds inside the group head. When it releases, water is forced backward, flushing out grounds and oils a regular flush can't reach. For the grinder, start with the air blower. Install the silicone air blower directly onto the bean container and press it several times. The airflow dislodges residual grounds from between the burrs. Remove the air blower and replace the bean container cover when done. When the grinder needs a deeper clean, you'll need to remove the bean container entirely. Turn the knob counterclockwise to close the channel, then turn the bean container counterclockwise to remove it. Inside, you'll find a wire handle on the upper burr. Turn it counterclockwise to unlatch and lift the burr out. Use the cleaning brush to gently clear both the upper and lower burrs. Never use water on burrs. Water causes corrosion and permanent damage to the grinding surfaces. Once clean, push the upper burr firmly back into position. Turn the handle clockwise to lock, then reattach the bean container. Descaling removes mineral buildups from the internal water passages and should be done when the machine prompts you. If you've just finished using the machine, turn it off and allow it to cool for at least 1 hour before starting. If the Descale icon appears, but you're not ready to run a full Descale cycle, you can clear the reminder by pressing and holding the volume button for 5 seconds. The reminder resets. Keep in mind, this clears the notification, not the mineral buildup. Descaling is still the maintenance your machine needs over time. All right, empty the drip tray and reinsert it. Place a large cup under both the brew head and the steam wand. Fill the water tank with your descaling solution mixed with cold water to the max line and reattach. Run the descale cycle. Press the descale button. The machine pumps the solution through the brew head and steam wand alternatively. This takes approximately 8 minutes. When the first phase ends, the Descale icon lights up on the LED. Empty the water tank completely. Make sure all descaling solution is removed thoroughly. Refill with fresh cold water to max and reattach. Press the Descale button again to begin the flush phase, approximately 6 minutes. The machine flushes the descaler out completely, then powers off automatically. Empty the drip tray and reinsert. If needed, empty and rinse the water tank once more. Refill with clean water and reattach. Once the machine is cooled, it's ready for normal use.